Hey everyone, welcome back. If Bumble stopped working after an app update, follow these steps to fix it. First, restart your phone to clear temporary update glitches. This simple step fixes many post update issues. Next, go ahead and open your app store, search for Bumble and then check whether you have updated your app or not. Developers often release quick patches after buggy updates, so make sure to always check your app for updates. Next, go to your phone settings, then search for iPhone storage. Now, what you're going to do is scroll down, go to Bumble, and then offload the app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now, if you're on Android, then you're going to go to your phone settings, open apps, and then clear cache. This will remove temporary files without deleting your account. If Bumble still does not work, go ahead and long press on the Bumble home app icon and then remove app, then delete app, then delete the app. After deleting, go to the app store, search for Bumble and reinstall the app from there. Then log back in securely. Reinstalling the app usually fixes the update related problems, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.